Hi traders, it's Roberto, and this is an update on the signals that were sent out on the 13th for the Asian session. We had a buy in Euro Aussie. We had all these sell trades: Pound USD, Pound Yen, Pound CAD, Pound Swiss, Aussie USD, and the rest of these Aussie pairs. So these are the trades that were taken, and I did close out one trade, or actually two trades: Canadian Yen, that was not part of the signals, and Pound Yen, that was part. That was closed at 73 pips. So let me just briefly just go over again the strategy. Let's start from the Aussie Swiss. Price coming into the Asian session was below the main pivot point on the 4-hour and daily and 1-hour chart. Here's a retracement, and went up to the pivot point and just turned around, went south. It's currently in that trade. So let's move on. On the pound, Pound Yen, I think it hit our retracement level, which was that 161 extension, which is, yeah, that's where I had a target at 161 extension, and it hit our target. And again, price was below the main pivot point at time of entry on the 4-hour and 1-hour chart. Price sold off to the first 161 extension level, so we're out of that trade. The other trade was still in the pound dollar, and again, price went up to the main pivot point and just gave us a color change candle. Could not penetrate that level and started heading down. We're still in that trade. Hopefully it can break the swing low and continue to go south. The other trade, the entry was here on the Euro Aussie. I got in late on this trade, and again, the market flow is up. Price is above the main pivot point on the 1-hour and on the 4-hour. So this is the trade. What we do is wait for any kind of a retracement, and this is more like a false break. Here's the swing low of Thursday, so all you needed to do is draw a fib from the swing low to the swing high. We had overlapping fib on top of the main pivot point. It bounced off of that level. That would have been your entry, and you take the trade. Actually, I got in way too late on this trade, so if it reaches the swing high, I think I'm going to exit. Hopefully it can break that level. We're still in an uptrend. The stop loss is down here. Okay, the other trade was pound Canadian dollar. Now this one's not doing so well because it's just been consolidating, and currently I'm down 9 pips on this trade. Sold off. Here's the retracement. Here's the swing high. Here's the swing low of Thursday. So you draw a fib from the swing high to the swing low. Price came back up to around 23% retracement level, but it's not printing low. It's just sitting there for the past 4 hours. It's just been consolidating. So if it does go above that 154.88 level, then yeah, I would exit. But we're looking for price to just find resistance up at these levels and turn around and head south. We have a couple more trades. Here we go. Aussie Yen. Again, same thing. Price is below the main pivot point on the 4-hour and 1-hour chart. We had price coming into the Asian session. Market just rejected these levels and turned around and went south. And I think we've covered all of them. Let me see. Maybe not. We did. Aussie dollar. We didn't do Aussie dollar. Let me see if we have. One second, please. Aussie Swiss. I'm not sure. I went through all of these, and I'm not sure if I even went through Aussie Swiss. But anyway, again, price is below the main pivot point. Here is the retracement, and now the market's turning around, heading south in the direction of the trend. And Aussie CAD. Oh, here it was. Aussie CAD did penetrate the main pivot point, but managed to close below. So this, I'm hoping it can print lower, and it should, because price action is below the main pivot point on the 4-hour and 1-hour chart. And that does it. I'm going to exit all these trades before 6 a.m. Eastern. That's in a few hours from now. Get ready for the New York session. And see everyone in the trade room. Have a good week.